In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage branch rules for security on GitHub. Branch rules are a simple but powerful way to protect your most important branches and keep your code base secure. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in GitHub to set up a branch rule set and start enforcing it on the branches that matter most. Begin by opening your browser and searching for GitHub. Click the official GitHub result to head to the site. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account. Make sure you're using an account that has the right permissions on the repository you plan to configure, because branch rules require admin or maintainer access. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, have that ready as well. Once you're signed in, navigate to the main page of the repository you want to protect. You can get there from your profile or your organization's repositories list. On the repository's homepage, confirm you're in the correct project, and ideally, note which branch is set as the default, since that's commonly the one teams protect first. At the top of the repository, click the Settings tab. It sits alongside tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. If you don't see settings, you likely don't have the required permissions and will need someone with admin access to proceed. In the Settings area, look to the left sidebar. Under the Code and Automation section, click Rules. This section centralizes the policies that control how code moves through your repository, helping you prevent direct pushes, require reviews, and more. Next, click Rule Sets. Rule sets let you define a collection of policies and apply them to specific parts of your repository, such as branches that match certain names or patterns. Click New Rule Set, then choose New Branch Rule Set. This opens a configuration panel where you'll set up the scope and behavior of the rules you want to enforce. Think of this as the guardrail definition for your branches. Set the target branches. If you're just getting started, selecting the default branch is a safe and common choice to protect the main line of development. You can also target additional branches using patterns to match names used for releases or long-lived work. Finally, set the rule set to Active. Active means the rules will be enforced immediately for anyone interacting with the targeted branches. Review your selections and save your changes. From this point on, your repository will apply these protections consistently, reducing risky changes and helping your team maintain a high-quality, secure code base.